Hi, I'm Don Catalano from iOptimize Realty. Have you been recently tasked with finding the next warehouse space for your company? Perhaps corporate real estate is your primary job, but you're busy as all heck. Or perhaps corporate real estate is not your primary job. You have many jobs within the company. Well, we have great news for you. We've put together a checklist of over 70 things to consider when finding your next warehouse space. 70 points that will make or break the right site for you once you follow them. We've also put together a course that should be an hour long, but we know you're busy. We've crammed it down to just 20 minutes. Don't have 20 minutes, you think? Well, let me tell you, this course that you can watch for free will save you days, if not weeks of time in going in the wrong direction. So we hope you enjoy it. We also have other resources in our learning center that will save you time and your company, frankly, up to millions of dollars. If you would like me to answer any of your questions, feel free to reach out to me. The number's in the course. At the end of the course, don't forget to click the download to get the free checklist. Thank you and have a super day.